Hi there folks, just a quick video just to elaborate slightly on the written instructions you've got for the Squeeze page. Just want to go over it in real time just to show you exactly what we're talking about. So what you see in front of you is the access page for your two-step Squeeze page, and on the right hand side, if you haven't already done it, you've got your Squeeze page link. If you just download that, and what will happen is when you download that, you'll be given with you're presented with a zip file. And if you unzip it, save the contents to your computer somewhere, and you will see that inside there you've got three files. You've got the index file, you've got the image file, and you've got the actual background file that we used as well. Now, just to show you what's behind all this here, if we open the index file, like so, we'll see it coming up on the actual computer itself, and you've got the background file there that was in the folder, then you've got the two action sheets here as well, and you've got your free download button. Now, what I've actually done is I've presented you with the two-step Squeeze page with these already set up. Grab these two free list building lead magnets that you can sell or give away and start building your list today. Now, the reason I've done that is it's, what I would consider to be the best way of going about things at the present moment. These two actual products are probably the ones that I consider to be the most important one: niche selection and product creation. And I set it up for you to do that. So you got your headline, you got your bit of bumble there, and then you got your bullet point, and then you got a free download button. Now, at the moment, I'm not going to go through a tutorial on how to alter all this. All I'm going to show you is that the free download button, if you press that, it comes up with nothing. Obviously, the idea here is that what will happen is that the customer will come along and he will not notice it. He has to put his email address in, etc. He's going to press the free download button, and then it's going to come up with the email where he puts his email address in, and that's what we're going to cover now. So that's just to show you what it looks like. I say, well, you can alter all of this, but that's not what this tutorial is all about. Okay, so what I want you to do then is to go back then to the two SSP, which is where you kept your actual, where these three files are kept. And this time what I want you to do is do the index file, but instead of double clicking it, instead of opening it, I want you to right click it. I'm afraid these are all for Windows, I haven't got the Mac ones here, but to right click it and then open with, and open with Notepad. Now, you could open with any of the HTML editors that you may have. It's up to you how you edit the HTML file. But on the assumption that some people haven't got any HTML editors and don't want to start installing programs, all I'm going to do is use Notepad. So I've opened the file in Notepad, and if we scroll all the way down, ignore all this, it's all, as far as we're concerned, rubbish. But if we scroll right to the very bottom, you will see there it says enter your email sign-up code immediately below this line, and enter your email sign-up code immediately above this line. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So to do this, we're going to go to your favourite autoresponder email client. It could be anything. It could be GetResponse, Aweber, MailerLite. Just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use MailChimp. So I've got that on here. Now again, this is not a tutorial about how to use MailChimp. You'll go into MailChimp and you'll set up the form accordingly. Once you've set up your forms and done your embed form and everything else, you'll get to the point where you have your code. It says copy and paste onto your site. That's exactly what we're going to do. So we go down to here and we click on that one there. I say this just happens to be MailerLite. It'll be similar, very similar to whichever autoresponder you're using, whichever email client you're using. Copy that, and we're going to copy that one. Then we're just going to go back across to our Notepad, and that's where it says enter your email sign-up code immediately below this line. There's a space in there. If there isn't a space, make one. So as long as it's in between that one, the top one in block capitals and the bottom one in block capitals, and put the code and just paste it in. And that's it. It doesn't matter, you don't have to do anything else now, just leave that as it is. Okay, and having done that, we click on file and we click on save, and that's it done. All you have to do now is to make sure that you take the whole of that folder, not the zip folder, but the 2SSP folder, and you upload that to your website. There's loads of tutorials out on YouTube on how to upload folders and files, etc. to your website, and I shan't go over it here. But anyway, hope that's helped you out a little bit. Any issues, any problems, give us a shout. Support at Neil Mackenzie. You've got my details down below. Okay, hope it works for you. Thanks very much indeed, and look forward to seeing you again sometime.